Hello, my name is Sean Zim, the Connection Machine, aka the Insurance Doctor. Today, I wanted to explain how auto insurance works and some of the nuances that I'm seeing out in the public and what they're doing to gain quotations from companies and not really sure what they're buying. So, I want to go into details. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. I want to jump over to, if you haven't already, you go to bit.ly dot or / second opinion insurance review. And this pops up, and it's my funnel that you can go through to learn about how to schedule an appointment with me and the documents that will be needed. A lot of times when people go and search for auto insurance quotes, they go here, right? They're going on to the web, they're taking a look at different companies, they're seeing Liberty Mutual, Allstate, Nationwide. What else you see in here? Maybe Allstate, NJM, Geico, State Farm, Progressive. A lot of times you go to these captive farmers, travelers, you go to these captive companies, and they're not looking for um, the interest of the client, for the company. Broker or agent, outside independent agent you should be looking for, who I work with, is Maiello and Manzi. All right. And if you work with me, I'll put all my information in the description. Please reach out to me. But for auto insurance, I want to make sure I want to share a couple things I've noticed that's very important. A lot of people, the bodily injury and liability for injury or death resulting from a collision caused by an insured, right? A collision is car to car. A lot of times people are getting minimum coverages, 15, 30, and 5 for property damage. 15,000 per person, 30 for a total accident, 5 for property damage. 15, 30, and 5 is minimum. You should, if you have a house, if you're renting, you should have 100, 300, 100. If you have a house, you should increase it as much as you can. And also, I would recommend an umbrella. If you are just plugging and going back to these companies that you might be quoting through, you're going to get basic liability. Collision, comprehensive. If you are a car that's a little newer, you need to have comprehensive. You have comp and collisions when you have full coverage. A lot of times when you have an older car, like I have a car that has over 100,000 miles, I recommend for my personal is that I just have liability, because it's not worth it in the end because of the replacement of that car. Now, you have liability coverage for damage to property of others, medical payments, insurance. You have rental reimbursement, towing and labor should be involved. This is key, guys. Underinsured and uninsured motorist coverage should reflect and match what you currently have. A lot of people miss this, and it's important to find that out. You should have PIP coverage, personal injury protection, with a deductible of $250. What other people will do, and I recommend you come to us for auto insurance, we will quote your home or condo and or a renter's insurance, but also throw in an umbrella so that you will be covered properly. If you are one that is a business owner, we can take care of you on this front as well. We can do the general liability. We could do bonds. We could do equipment, property insurance for commercial and vehicles. Also, those umbrella policies as well. What else can we offer you? And just pull you up here. These are some of the partners we're working with. Again, we're an independent agent, who allows us to service you and allow you to be a person and not just a number. When you can text your agent or call your agent from a cell phone, which I give out my cell phone, we are there for you for those times you have to put a claim in, having conversations on how to process those properly. But it's key to have, and if you can, here's another key, deductibles. A lot of times people have $500. You have a conversation. What can you afford? Can you do $750? Can you do $1,000? The higher you can put that, can manipulate your premium to make it a little bit lower if you're able to share that. But if you don't have a conversation with your agent, you won't know. But having multi policies with companies, you could also save, or on the independent track on what we're doing, you can have a couple things where we can find savings discounts for you. The big thing is we don't look for cheap. We look for fair, and you have the proper coverage, the correct coverage, so that you, God forbid, have an accident or need to put a claim in, you will have it will be paid out in the quickest way possible. We can circumvent, help you put it in our system. And instead of you putting it in, we could help you put that through if that's something of interest to you. But again, it's building a relationship. If you're interested in getting a second opinion, my information is in the description. Please, again, don't forget, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share this video with someone that you love. Take a look at a couple other opportunities that I have in the playlist right here. One is the Connection Conversation Show. If you're looking for a professional, from a realtor, mortgage professional, accountant, financial advisor, please reach out to them directly. Mention the Connection Machine. Also, if you haven't already, if you have that lost some data for your phone or computer, and you want something that's a US-based company, $9.97 per month, take a look at Got Backup. And if you're interested in crypto, I have another thing I'm going to share with you as well. As always, I'm here to help, motivate, and inspire. Have an amazing rest of your day.